Answer this. A judicial magistrate second class can impose a sentence of imprisonment up to 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. I'm asking this question with respect to BNSS and not CRPC. Okay? Now answer this. Locked? If you're confused about the answer, then this video is for you. Welcome to the Legal Cafe. Today is the episode 2 of Basics of Law, and we are going to today discuss about sentencing power of criminal courts. Let's get started. These are the different types of criminal courts that you can find in any state. It is mandatory that all these courts exist. First, High Court. As you one can guess that the sentencing power of High Court will have no limits. So it can give any sentence. Correct? But what about Sessions Court? What can Sessions Court give as sentence? It can also give any sentence, which means it can give 10 years imprisonment, it can give LI, it can give death penalty. But if it gives death penalty, it is subject to confirmation of High Court. That is, the High Court will certify that the decision of the Sessions Court was correct. Only then death penalty will be finally awarded. Now comes Chief Judicial Magistrate and Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate. These both have same powers of sentencing, which is up to 7 years and fine. Is there any limit on fine? No, there is no limit. It should just be reasonable. Then comes Judicial Magistrate First Class or Subdivisional Judicial Magistrate. They have the power to sentence imprisonment of up to 3 years plus fine. Do they have any limit? Yes. They have a limit of up to 50,000 rupees. So maximum fine that they can impose is 50,000 rupees. Also, there is provision of community service. They can also give community service punishment. Okay? Then comes Judicial Magistrate Second Class. How much can he give? He can give up to 1 year of imprisonment and fine. Fine also has limit. Fine up to 10,000 rupees. Can it give community service? Yes, of course, community service. So this is the sentence. These are the sentencing powers of the different criminal courts you can find in each state. And now it is super easy for you to answer this question, isn't it? I have a question for you besides this. Answer this question in the comment section and let me know if you have understood this concept. And also answer another question. Can you tell me which sections of BNS provide for the sentencing power of the Court of Session, High Court, and magisterial courts? Good luck and see you in the next video of the Legal Cafe Basics of Law. Goodbye. Take care.